Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I will be showing you how to group tabs in Brave browser. So to do this, first things first is you can just simply go ahead and open up the Brave browser into your computer and go ahead and select a profile. Now over here, as you can see, for example, for the first tab, I'm going to go ahead and select google.com, and that second tab will be the youtube.com. And now let's say I want to group them tabs. So to do that, you can just simply right click on the specific tab and you will have an option over here, add tab to new group. So select on it and you can name your group over here. For example, I'm gonna go for Delve Stack and I could select a color based on my preferences. And now once you have created it, as you can see, you could go for the other tabs and you could just simply go for add tab to group and you will have here your group that you created, and automatically you can minimize it and open it up as you can see over here. So pretty much it will not lose. And pretty much that's just how it works. You can just simply right click on it. Should be able to add tab to new group. And if you want to create another one, just simply do the same process that we did earlier over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.